Welcome to lecture-online. Our next example is kind of a complex fraction. We have fractions in the numerator, we have a fraction in the denominator. How do you simplify something like this? And the best way to do that is to look at all the denominators in the numerator and all the denominators in the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle each of the denominators. First the two in the numerator and then the one in the denominator. So what you're trying to find here is you're trying to find the lowest common factor. And in this case, that would be 9 times x. We're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by that lowest common factor. So using a red pen, we're going to multiply the numerator by 9x, and we're going to multiply the denominator by 9x. And by doing so, you will eliminate all of the fractions in the numerator and the denominator. All right, let's do that and see what we get. So this is equal to 9x times this. Notice the 9's cancel out, and it's x times x, which gives x squared. Minus 1 over x times 9x. The x's cancel out, and you're left with minus 1 times 9. In the denominator, 1 times 9x gives you 9x, plus 3 divided by x times 9x. The x's cancel out, you end up with 3 times 9. If you simplify this, this is equal to x squared minus 9 divided by 9x plus 27. Now we can factor both the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator, we end up with, since this is a difference of squares, we end up with x minus 3 times x plus 3. And in the denominator, we could factor out a 9, and we're left with x plus 3. And now we can have some fun. We can simplify by canceling out. Here we have the x plus 3 and the x plus 3, and we're left with an x minus 3 divided by 9. And this is the simplified form of this original fraction. Again, the trick is, look at all your denominators, find the smallest common factor, which in this case is 9x, because every denominator fits into 9x. If you can now multiply the numerator and the denominator by that smallest common factor to get rid of all the denominators, and then you simply reduce by factoring and canceling out. And that's how that's done.